Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Crack UPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And before I go to the today's current affair discussion for OAS as well as ASO, let me first welcome Subhasri, Priyaranjan, Asit as well as Pratiksha to our test series. I hope all of you will be doing your preparation in line with our test series preparation. Yesterday the history test number 1 was uploaded. Before that polity test number 1 was uploaded. Today will be geography test number 1 will be uploaded specially. Not only that, from today onwards there will be separate one-liner important GK will be provided to you. You have to mug up that too. Our particular target is to 100% selection from prelim examination from this OS examination test series. So do cooperate as I have already instructed you. And for all our YouTube subscribers, we have already started the dedicated test series. Many have joined, and if you are thinking of joining the test series, do join the best possible test series, because we are doing the best level of research and it is going to be very much helpful. You can send me email abishoi27@gmail.com or askabacademy@gmail.com. Specially 55 tests, out of 55 there will be 25 sectional and 30 full length. Apart from that, the another 10 sets of CSAT and current affair, more than 500 MCQs will be totally free. After that, not only that, we have started from today onward there will be one-liner GK will be also be provided. My target is 100% prelim result from the test series. So if you are thinking of joining any test series, do join our test series as soon as possible. So friends, today we will be discussing current affair for OS as well as ASO examination. Harsh Chauhan is the chairman of National Commission for ST. Remember, they can be asking you question regarding who is the chairman of SC Commission, National SC Commission, National ST Commission, National Women Commission, then who is the NHRC, National Human Rights Commission. You need to know about their names specifically. If you are knowing those names, then automatically you will be able to eliminate all the other wrong options. Then Harsh Chauhan, who is the current chairman of ST, National Scheduled Tribe, it is Harsh Chauhan. Second, refining our common future, safe and secure environment for all. Theme of the SD Summit 2021. What is SD? That is Sustainable Development. Sustainable Development Summit 2021. What is the theme? Safe and secure environment for all. It was the theme of 2021, the Sustainable Development theme summit. Pratibha Ray conferred with Padma Bhushan in Literature and Education category 2022. Very important. You know, this Pratibha Ray is conferred Padma Bhushan. You know, there is a categorization of civilian awards. In the civilian awards, the highest being the Bharat Ratna, then Padma Vibhushan, then Padma Bhushan, then after comes Padma Shri Award. So Pratibha Ray got this Padma Bhushan, means the third one. Third one's he got this particular person got this particular thing in 2022, means this year. Padma Award given by Ministry of Home Affairs. You supposed to be knowing that which particular ministry is recommending authority for this Padma Awards. That is Ministry of Home Affairs. Ministry of Home Affairs. Then Padma Shri Award winner Pramod Bhagat, related to sports category. Padma Bhushan. This Padma Award, Padma Shri Award winner, this particular person Pramod Bhagat. Pramod Bhagat, related to sports category. Then Padma Shri Award winner Aditya Prasad Das, related to science and engineering. If a question comes that this particular person Aditya Prasad Das, related to which field, then you have to say that science and engineering. Then Asit Kumar Tripathi is the chairman of Western Odisha Development Commission, very important, WODC. Asit Kumar Tripathi, he was Odisha's former chief secretary. He went to as a chairman of WODC, that is Western Odisha Development Corporation. Then Rekha Sharma is the chairman of National Women Commission, very important. Rekha Sharma is the chairman of National Women Commission. Then Iqbal Singh Lalpura is the chairman of National Minority Commission. Who is the chairman of National Minority Commission? Iqbal Singh Lalpura. Remember, Rekha Sharma is the chairman of National Women Commission, and this Iqbal Singh Lalpura is the chairman of National Minority Commission. Then Justice Arun Kumar Mishra is the chairman of National Human Rights Commission. Very important. Another very important question. Who is the current chairman of National Human Rights Commission? It is Justice Arun Kumar Mishra. Then coming to next one, Vijay Sampala is the chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Caste. See, Harsh Chauhan, we learned about Harsh Chauhan. Harsh Chauhan is the chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Tribe, and Vijay Sampala is the chairman of National Scheduled Caste. There is two different bodies. One is Scheduled Caste and one is Scheduled Tribe. So Vijay Sampala, it is Scheduled. Vijay Sampala is Scheduled Caste and Harsh Chauhan is Scheduled Tribe. Then coming to next one, Justice Raghunath Biswal appointed as chairman of Odisha Backward Class Commission. Justice Raghunath, this particular question was asked in 2020 OCS prelim examination. This Raghunath Biswal appointed, Justice Raghunath Biswal appointed as chairman of Backward Class Commission. Apart from this, Justice Satish Kumar Mittal is the chairman of Human Rights Commission of Odisha. Very important. Justice Satish Kumar Mittal. Justice Satish Kumar Mittal is the chairman of Odisha State Human Rights Commission. Then Dr. Minnati Behra is the chairman of State Women Commission of Odisha. Dr. Minnati Behra. Remember, Dr. Minnati Behra is the chairman. In the national case, it was Rekha Sharma, and in Odisha's case, it is Minnati Behra. Apart from this, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare started Ayushman Sahakar scheme. Very important. If a question is being asked, this particular scheme, Ayushman Sahakar scheme, related to which ministry? You have to say it is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. This Ayushman Sahakar scheme related to Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Then what is it? It's a holistic healthcare educational facilities by cooperative societies. What this particular scheme is all about? It is holistic educational facilities as well as cooperative society. This is the scheme is all about. Apart from this, Sahakar Mishra scheme on intervening program SIP is under Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. That is another one is Sahakar Mitra. Sahakar Mitra scheme is again the scheme of Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Very important. One is Ayushman Sahakar, then Sahakar Mitra. Two important schemes from Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Because there is so much of a farmer activities are going on. There was farmer protest because of which the government has to take back the farm laws. In order to see this kind of a thing is happening, you need to know what are the schemes started by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. From that angle also, this particular thing is very important. Apart from this, Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, PM Kisan is very important. PM Kisan Nidhi, this particular scheme is started by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. In this particular scheme, 6,000 rupees is given specially in 3 installments. So you need to know that this particular scheme is related to Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Apart from this, Farmer Produce Organization, FPOs are under Ministry of, yes, there is another institution which is working under Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. That is this particular Farmer Produce Organization. that is FPOs. So let's do a quick recap what we have studied today. That is, first we studied about Harsh Chauhan is the chairman of National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. National Commission for Scheduled Tribes. Then after coming to the next one, we studied about the refining our safe and common environment for all. Safe and secure environment for all was the theme of 2021 Sustainable Development Summit. Then after we studied Pratibha Ray. Pratibha Ray is Padma Bhushan, the third highest civilian award, and then after it is related to literature and education. Pratibha Ray, literature and education, Padma Bhushan. Remember, Padma award given by Ministry of Home Affairs. Then Padma Shri award winner Pramod Bhagat is related to sports. Then Padma Shri winner Aditya Prasad Das is related to science and engineering. Then Asit Kumar Tripathi is the chairman of WODC. WODC means Western Odisha Development Corporation. Then Rekha Sharma. Rekha Sharma, I told you that National Women Commission chairman is Rekha Sharma. Then Iqbal Singh Lalpura. Iqbal Singh Lalpura is the chairman of National Minority Commission. Then Justice Arun Kumar Mishra, NHRC, chairman of National Human Rights Commission. Apart from this, Vijay Sampalla, we studied that he is the chairman of National Scheduled Caste Commission. Then Justice Raghunath Biswal, as I told you, that Odisha Backward Class Commission chairman. Then Justice Satish Kumar Mittal is the chairman of Odisha State Human Rights Commission. Then Minati Behra, as I told you that Minati Behra, in the national case it is Rekha Sharma, in Odisha's case it is Minati Behra is the chairman of State Women Rights Commission. Then State Women Commission, not Women Right. Then Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare started Ayushman Sahakar scheme. Who started Ayushman Sahakar scheme? Ministry of Agriculture. Then Sahakar Mitra, again Agriculture, Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Then after another one is this PM Kisan. Again PM Kisan was again started by Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. Then after Farmer Produce Organization, FPOs are related to this again Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare. So this was all about today's discussion, and there is a special announcement. Many of our previous course participants, they have asked us for a special discount. We are giving you 1000 rupees discount. Right now you have to pay only 3999 rupees for 55 high quality tests of OS examination specially. If you are willing to join, do let me know in my, you can say my email address absoy27@gmail.com, or you can also email me at askabacademy@gmail.com. Thank you very much. Happy learning.